Welcome to part 3, framing a cube. I'm setting up to fixture the 2 square base frames that I made earlier and weld those up into a nice square cube. Putting the right angle brackets into the table. Here I'm using a spacer block to set a consistent spacing between these 2 fixtures that are going to dictate the outside dimensions of the cube. Then I set a couple of steel spacers since these particular pieces are actually a little bit wider than the table, and I wanted to give myself a little reference edge for the other members that are getting welded in. Now I'm setting the uprights in place, clamping those down in preparation for tacking. Here I'm using a couple of little strong hand magnets to make sure that all of my reference surfaces are coplanar to each other. Kind of handy for setting the spacing, because you can just stick them onto the 2 different pieces and they pretty much self-align. They come in especially handy up top where gravity is kind of fighting against me in this orientation. They're a nice extra set of hands. One of the things that I like about this fixture is it gives me quite a bit of airspace around the joints that I need to weld to get in underneath and to the sides of those members. So pretty convenient to weld up in this configuration. So I've got 2 of these cubes to frame and banged those out real quick, and then they get welded with a hinge together. Now I'm ready to tack the whole assembly up.